IP blocking done. To run the project, open CMD in admin mode. Go to project, run here like this. Go to URL, login, monitoring, start. Starting. No attack, normal packet, normal network, normal traffic, perform attack, attacking, attack detected, attack, blocking IPs, my IP coming, my IP, blocked IPs, Windows command, Windows firewall, firewall, CMD, see, my IP blocked. I can also unlock IP. If I click to unlock, IP unlocked, firewall, check firewall, no IP blocked because I have unlocked. This way IP attack started detecting auto block brute force.
This will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, I can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.